Hello there. There are two schools of methods to valuation of a stock price: fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis are about the company's intrinsic value like financial statements, balance sheet, cash flows, business model of the company, financial structure of the company, economic and industry outlook. Fundamentalists analyze these aspects of the company, and on the other hand, technical analysis find the share price pattern in the graph and from the historical price movement and help of the statistic indicator try to forecast the price of the stock. So today we will learn about the technical analysis. This is our first series of the technical analysis, so it's in introductory videos. We will learn about the very basic of the technical analysis, how to read the chart, and gradually we will move toward the advanced topics. So before we move ahead, we request you to kindly subscribe the channel so you don't miss any important videos about the series. So without a delay, let's jump to the topic. So first, let's understand very basic of the technical analysis. What is the technical analysis mean? By definition, technical analysis is a mean of examination and predicting the price movement in the financial markets by using historical price chart and market statistics. It is based on the idea that if a trader can identify previous market pattern, they can form a fairly accurate prediction of the future price trajectories. That means technical analysts look into the graph and try to find out the previous historical price pattern, that how the stock price goes up and down. We will see it in detail in the when we practically examine it. As for the currently theoretical perspective, this is the basic definition of the technical analysis. Here are the major difference between the technical and the fundamental analysis. As you can see on the screen, that technical analysis and fundamental analysis, there are two columns. In technical analysis, understand pattern of the company share price. As we earlier showed, that technical analysis only find the pattern in the chart, and fundamentalists understand the pattern in the financial performance, like how stock is performing, how it's earning, how much is its expenses, what is its taxation, what is its D&A. These all the financial statement, balance sheet, cash flows and income statement. Fundamentalists analyze those things. In other words, if I say that fundamental is the reason and technical analysis is the result, because fundamental drive the price. So fundamental is the reason and technical is the result. Technical analysis forecast future price and analyze the historical and assume it would be repeat. And fundamentally forecast future performance using financial statement, balance sheet, P&L and cash flows. Technical analysis analyze share price movement. Fundamental analysis analyze the financial data. Technical analysis understand the market psychology, and fundamentalists analyze industry trend, competitor performance, economic outlook. As I earlier said, that technical analysis is the result and fundamental analysis is the drive. These fundamentals drive the stock price. These are the result. That's how is the stock price up and down. Let's go ahead and check it in practical for better understand how the technical analysis perform their task. Let's get back to the real chart. So before move ahead, let's first understand candlestick chart. Candlestick chart is the very popular among the technical analysts. Technical analysts usually perform their analysis over the candlestick chart. Candlestick chart is a very popular among the technical analysts. Candlestick chart has a four very major component. As you can see down here, there are four major component: open, high, low, close. So as you can see, every candle here has the four component. One is open. One candle shows you four aspect of the price in the given time frame. Suppose we select the time frame for the 1 days, so that means one candle is showing the price action of the 1 days. Let's understand this one first, green one. As you can see, there are two colors, green and red. Both depict the different stories of the price. First, let's understand the green one. How green candle depict the price action of the stock in the given time. Suppose this is the 1 day's candle. So one candle is of the 1 days. So there are four components. Let's understand very closely. Open, high, low, close. So in this, if candle is green, that means its closing price is higher than its opening price. So in green candle, down here where the green is started, So if green started over here, as you can see, this level is, this is the of the starting price of the stock. This is the open, and again the candle is, the green field is closed here, this point. This is the closing. This shows that price has been closed over here, open over here and close over here. So what, and you can, as you can see, there is a line went above to this level. So that means, so this is the high of the stock price. Let's write it down here, high. And last one, as we can see, open, close, high, and last one, as you can see down here, the line went down to this level. So that means if this is a 1 day candle, so in 1 day stock price maximum down to this level. This is the price lowest point of the day. So let's write it down here again for better understand. So we got the all four component in this candle. Open, price open here, and maximum it's went to this point in a day, or it's went down. Lowest point of the day is this point, is the low. Suppose if the candle chart we set to the 5 minutes, so it's depict the one candle shows the price action of the 5 minute. In 5 minute open price is this, and in 5 minute maximum went to this point and lowest went to this point and close in this point. And then again making the next candle of the 5 minute, and this is the 5 minute, this is 5 minute. If this candle is 1 day, so that means this is the 1 day's price action, this is the second day's price action, this is the third day's price action. So one candle shows that every aspect in the given time frame. As we will see it ahead, stock in actual market, we will learn over there how to change the time frame, different time frame, how to see the candle. So let's understand this component, how to read the candlestick chart. So this is the green candle. Now let's go and understand how to read the red candle. If the candle is red, that means its open price is higher than its closing price. So suppose in red candle, this is the open price, this is the open, and this is the high price. It is the same as the green candle. This is the high, this is the low point, low of the candle, and this is the closing of the candle. This point here, as you can see, this point here is closing. This is the close of the candle. So as you can see, in red candle, open is this point, high is the line above this. This is the high of the candle, and this is the low of the candle, and this is the closing price. So if the 5 minute red candle, it shows that in 5 minutes price of the stock is open here, and maximum is went high to this level, and low, maximum low is this level, and the price has been closed in 5 minutes is this level. So this is the very important how we read the candlestick. Now let's move ahead, check the practical example. So this is the live chart of the Nifty 50 index. As here you can see, this is the Nifty's live chart, and the time frame is a 1 day. One candle here indicates the 1 day's price action of the Nifty 50. So let's see. Down here is, this is the time or date, and here is the price, and y-axis there is the price, and these are the date. As you can see, 18 June, 15 June, July, 13 July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the date, and these are the price. So as you can see today, this is the Nifty price. Nifty open at this price. Here you can see 12.6. Candle is green, so that means this is the open price, this is the closing price, and down there it's a line above, it's a maximum of the day, high of the day, this is the low of the day. This is the 1 day chart, 1 day candle. One candle shows here the 1 day's price action of the Nifty. So in 1 day, Nifty open here, open at this price and close at this price, and maximum price went in the days is this level 12,739, and low to this level 12,609. So this is how we read the candlestick chart. As you can see from last couple of the session, more than 1 week or 2 weeks, Nifty has been continuously going up. As you can see here, this is the pattern. This is the how we forecast the price. That once Nifty went up, then slide down, and then again it went up. We will learn it when we talk about the detailed indicators and how to find support and resistance. All things we will learn gradually. Currently we are only learning very basic how to read the chart. This video is only about the how to read the chart. If you want to change 1 day to 5 minute, you can go there and change it to 5 minute. Now one candle indicate the 5 minute price action of the Nifty. As you can see in 5 minute chart, this is the open price of the Nifty. Then Nifty went up to this level high in 5 minute, then down to this point, maximum down to this point, then closing in 5 minute this, then it's make the again 5 minute candle, then again it's make the 5 minute candle. In 20 minutes Nifty continuously going red. Yeah, its closing price is, and the next candle open price is less than its closing price, and then it's again down. So it's make the consecutive 4 candles in the red. Then one fifth candle you can see here is green. Open price is this and closing price is this, and maximum high is this, low is this. Then again sixth candle is went down. Then if the sixth candle indicate that in 5 minutes it's continuously open and continuously down and close it to its lowest point. So basically this is how we read the candlestick. In next video we will find out how to find the support and resistance and how to put the indicators and how to forecast the price, how to use the different static indicators in the candlestick chart. Hope you understand the candlestick chart. If you have any doubt, please down the comment below, and if you have any query, any question, please let us know. And if you want to learn about the share market, so please consider to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.